Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Prakhar Mishra, and I'm going to uh, explain our presentation on cell biology. I'm from the fourth year, group 7, and my roll number is 9. So first thing that comes in mind is why cell biology. So the key to every biological problem must finally be sought in the cell. For every living organism is, or at some time has been, a cell. This was said by E.B.W. Wilson in 1925. Cells are, as we know that every organism, every living being consists of cell, so there is no existence of life without cell. That means if we are a living being, we are an animal, we are treated as an animal, then we are consist of a cell. You can see there is sperm is also a cell, egg is also a cell, and without them there is no life possible. And this is cilia on a protozoa. Cells are as next part. We are human beings, and most of the living beings are consist of blood in themselves, in their veins, and the blood is basically because of the red blood cell and white blood cell. It is a nerve cell which help us to take actions and make decisions. A person contains about 100 trillion cells in their body. There are about 200 different cells types in mammals. Cells are tiny measurement, average 0.002 centimeter, that is approx 20 millimeter. That's about 1250 cells. Cell theory. Cell theory was given by Swan and Sheldon. They in 1838 and 1839, and it is a cornerstone of biology. They stated that all organisms are composed of one or more cells. Cells are smallest unit, smallest living thing. Cells arises only by division of previously existing cells. All organisms living today are descendant of an ancestral cell. Two fundamentally different types of cell, that is the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We'll see what are the difference between these cells. So first difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is in prokaryotic cell the nucleus is bounded within a nucleus region, whereas in eukaryotic cell the nucleus is bounded, the DNA is bounded within the cell membrane. Size prokaryotic cell is usually smaller than eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is usually larger. Organization usually single cell. Prokaryotic cell is usually single cell, and in eukaryotic cell are often multicellular. Metabolism. Prokaryotic cell may not need oxygen for their survival, but eukaryotic cell usually need oxygen to exist. And organelles. No membrane-bound organelles in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound organelles are present. This is an ideal animal cell. As you can see, there are certain components within a cell as well, like cytoskeleton, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, etc., etc. We'll see later on the main parts of the cell and their functionality. Major division of eukaryotic cell. So you can see eukaryotic cell is composed of nucleus, the other organelles, cytosol, cytoskeleton, and plasma membrane. This is a major division of eukaryotic cell. This is example. In this picture, you can see our living rat cell seen from the microscope. Animal and plant are two living beings, but they seems totally different. Instead of being their totally different structure, they have many common things in their cell structure. We'll see what are the common things that an animal and a plant cell have. That is, they both have nucleus, they both have smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, they both have rhizosome, they both have cytoskeleton, they both have cytosol, they both have mitochondria, and they both have plasma membrane. Cell anatomy. This is in this lecture you can see a cell anatomy. Like power of a cell is termed as mitochondria, and nucleus is control center. Structure is cytoskeleton, etc., etc. We'll start by seeing what role these parts play in making and moving protein. So first is nucleus. As I have said, that nucleus is a control center. So like human being is controlled by brain, a cell is controlled by nucleus. 2 meters of human DNA fits into a nucleus, that is about 0.000005 meter across in a nucleus. Ribosome and endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum, and the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and a ribosome looks like this. The functionality of these is first is protein synthesis, second is protein movement, and third is protein proofreading. The lysosome is a very important part of a cell. Functions of lysosome are digesting food or cellular in orders. It also helps in recycling cellular components. So cell suicide is the most important feature that a cell must have. Like if any foreign organism attacks on a cell and get it infected, then it will suicide itself. So it prevents other cells from being infected, and this feature is being provided by lysosome. The lysosome is not found in plant cell. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is a power of a cell. It converts adenosine diphosphate into adenosine triphosphate, that is cell utilizable energy. We'll move forward to a cell, leaf cell. Leaf cell looks like this. This is a pictorial representation of a leaf cell. The chloroplast. Chloroplast in a leaf cell is very important component, because the chloroplast leaf and plant produce their food. They convert water, carbon dioxide, and mineral energy into a sugar and oxygen. So as I have told you, it is very important part in a plant, because without a chloroplast, no plant can survive. Basically a green plant. Two other unique features of plant cell. So the first unique feature of a plant cell is they have cell walls present in there, and the second is central vulva. The central vulva may occupy 90% of the plant cell, and because of the cell wall, plants have their greater strength. This is why woods of a plant are very small. Very strengthful and very thick. As it is mentioned, consequences of cell wall is the great strength of wood and woody plant. Thank you.